Hey guys, Morbo here, and in this tutorial I will show you how to set up your own YouTube channel. Hey guys, if you want to create an account from scratch and you have no previous Gmail addresses, this is how you do it. So you go to youtube.com, you click sign in, and it's gonna say sign in with, Google, whatever, but you don't have a Google address. So what you click is more options, create an account, and it's gonna ask you your name, email address, password that you want, but you would like to make a new Gmail address. So for our first name, I'm gonna call myself Bro Guy, because that's what I am. For my email address, I hope no one, someone already has it. So I'm gonna be Bro Guy for sure at gmail.com. You wanna create a password. Now you want to put your birthday in, so mine's 12 December 1980, so I had a lot of time to get broke. Mail. Now your phone number, it doesn't really have to be filled in most of the time, but if they ask you to actually fill it in, just fill in your phone number. And then your current email address, well, that's your current email address. So I do have a previous Gmail account, so I'm just gonna put that one in, but you can actually fill in every account that you want. And then location, it's just where you are. So then you click next step. So you're gonna get a ton of privacy and terms and all of that, but you just click agree. If you want to read this all, go ahead. So your new email address is broguy4sure@gmail.com. Thank you for creating the account. Use it to subscribe to channels on YouTube, video chat for free, save favorite places on maps, and lots more. What we're gonna do, we're gonna save this, and then we're gonna continue to YouTube. And there we go, believe it or not, you just created your own first YouTube channel. Now, how do you put content on your YouTube channel? That's what the next lessons is gonna be all about, so stick around. Now that we have our own YouTube channel, there's a lot of confusion sometimes, because people have their own channel now, but they do not have the upload button, so they can't upload their own content. So what you need to do as a final step is go here at the right corner to your channel and click Creator Studio. Now what this is gonna say is you must create a channel to upload videos. So that's what we're doing. So we're gonna create a channel, use YouTube as Bro Guy, but you can change this name later on. I will show you how. And you click Create Channel. So now it says no videos were found, which is obviously because we haven't uploaded anything yet, but we do have now the upload button in the right corner to upload our videos. Hey guys, so we have made our account, but let's say you found this very useful, but you want to make multiple accounts. So you want to make one for your gaming channel, you want to make one for your private stuff like parties or other things that you want to do. You want to make one for gardening if you do gardening, and you actually want to separate all of these channels. So what you can do, you can actually make multiple YouTube channels, but they will remain on this one single email address that you have made. So you don't have to create multiple email addresses per YouTube channel. You can actually use your freshly made Bro Guy for sure channel. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to, so if you didn't see it, there's like a YouTube settings one next to your name. You click that one, and this is where you can change your name. So if you don't like Bro Guy, you can go edit on Google. I will show you. And it's just gonna say first and last, and then you click OK and you change your name this way. But what we wanna do is we want to create a new channel. So this is going to be a new channel or a new brand account. So the brand account would be gardening with no cash, because we're, you know, we're broke guy. We're gonna click create. And there we go. You actually now have two channels. You have your normal broke guy channel, and you have the gardening with no cash. To switch accounts, you just click the icon at the right, switch account, and there you can see if you have like 10 accounts, they're all gonna show up here, and you just click the other account and it switches back. Although it says you're still on gardening with no cash, you can see the color here changed and you're on your broke guy account. So if you click my channel, you're on the broke guy channel. So this is how you set up multiple accounts with only one email address. We're gonna click channel art, select the photo from your computer, select the banner that we just created, wait till it uploaded. It's gonna give you a preview how it looks like on desktop TV and mobile. You're gonna click select, it's gonna save it, and that's actually all there is to it. It says saved, there we go, we have our broke guy banner. Hey guys, so we have our banner in place, which is great. Well, it doesn't look that great, but you know what I mean. And so now we want a profile picture. Now the profile picture has to be 800 by 800 pixels. So we click the little pencil thingy, click edit, and it's gonna redirect us to Google. We pick our picture that we wanted. We click done. And there we go. We have our profile picture. Now, it can be that it's not showing up on YouTube even if you refresh. Maybe I'm lucky, but if you can see, it takes a while. It takes about an hour, maybe even 2 hours before your profile picture shows up. So that's something that, don't panic, don't think it didn't work. It usually works, but it takes a while before it shows up. So that's how you put a profile picture into your YouTube channel. Okay, so we have our channel art. We should have soon our our broke guy profile picture. Now it's time to actually upload a video. So let's say you have a video, could be anything. What you do is click the upload button, and the giant arrow over here, if we click this one, it's gonna go to our to our files. Here you can see pictures and videos. So what we want is actually a video, and I'm gonna just pick this one because it's only 2 minutes, so it should be fast to upload while I'm recording this video. And so these are the videos that I'm making currently, which you'll have no worries about because you will get the edited version. But anyway, we click the video that we want to upload, we click open, and YouTube is uploading the video. It's that easy. Now what you want to do is you want to name your video. So let's say we name this video about stuff on YouTube. We want to have a description. This is a video unedited, not ready yet for YouTube. And then you want to have some tags in your video. Now what tags means is this is what people use to find your video. So that those are your keywords. So let's say video is a keyword. Another keyword could be YouTube itself, and you just press enter after your keywords. Another keyword that you could use is tutorial, for instance. I'm just saying stuff. So if you actually want to get found and you want to actually grow your channel, you have to think about these names. You really have to be precise in them. You have to think them through. You have to maybe do some keyword research if you want to grow. But this is not the purpose of this, because this is just a beginner's video. So we just take video, YouTube tutorial. Now, after that's done, you can choose public, so that means everyone can see it. Unlisted means it's in your video list, but it's not uploaded to YouTube yet. Private means only you can see it, or when you share the link, people that you share the link with can see it. And then scheduled is, let's say I record the video today, but I only want to publish videos during weekends. So you can schedule it for, let's say, a Saturday when you make the video on Tuesday. So then it will be published on Saturday. You can also add it to playlist if you make playlists. Let's say you make a Rocket League video and you're doing a tournament and you actually get to the semifinals or even the finals. You can add a playlist of your road towards the final, so every game that you played can be in the playlist. And when that's done, all you have to do is click publish, and it's done. It's gonna give you a link here for your YouTube link, or you can just press this one, and there we go. Your video is now on YouTube. It's that easy. Hey guys, Morbo here, and in this tutorial I will show you how to set up your own YouTube channel. Cut. So there you have it. We set up our own YouTube channel, we created multiple accounts, we created some banners, some logos, all for free, so no expense whatsoever. And we also uploaded a video, put a description in, put some tags in, uploaded it to YouTube. So the basics are done. So what you want to do now is grow your channel, do some research about the keywords, how to get ranked higher up in YouTube. But there's a lot of videos about it, so you'll figure it out, I hope. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. If you liked the tutorial, subscribe. Maybe there's more videos upcoming, maybe. Who knows? And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.